right, you are welcome back to Tutor Parchment, where we make mathematics ridiculously simple. So in Tutor Parchment, we conduct mathematics tutorial, and we use the approach of question and answers to drive in the knowledge. So do well to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button so that you can get subsequent videos. Okay, so let's dive right into it. So today we're going to be looking at uh, an aspect of geometry. So geometry has been one of the major challenges with students writing GCSE examination. So looking at this question, you have to you're given a diagram which represents a sector of a circle. So this diagram shows a sector of a circle with center 0. So with center O, the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter, and the angle, the cutout angle, is 120 degree. So you are asked to work out the perimeter of the sector, and you are asked to give your answer in terms of pi in the simplest form. So how do you go about this question? So to solve this question, you need to work from known to unknown, right? So you need to work from known to unknown. So what are some known parameters given? So you need to check the known parameter given. What are some known parameter given? So you need to identify them and work with them. Okay, so you are given the radius of the circle. So the radius is 6 centimeter. The cutout angle is 120 degree. So these are the known parameters. So how do you find perimeter of the sector? If you check uh, the question very well, you will see that this sector has two sides. So you have two radius or two radii and an arc length, right? So an arc length. So the formula for the perimeter of the sector, you can calculate that using the general formula for that. So to do that, you find the perimeter, which is given as perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by radius plus the arc length. And you recall that the length of an arc is a portion cut out from a circle. So you can say that you know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So length of an arc is theta divided by 360 multiplied by the circumference, which is 2 pi r. So the perimeter, so the length of an arc would be 120 divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by 6 centimeter. So the length will give you a third of 12 pi. So this is 4 pi centimeter. So the perimeter is 2 pi plus the length of an arc. So this will give you 2 multiplied by 6 plus 4 pi. This is 12 plus 4 pi. So this is your answer. So it's as simple as this. So you've seen that we work from known to unknown. So what are the key things here? You need to know the formula for perimeter of a sector, which is 2 r, that is 2 times the radius, plus the arc length. So you can get the arc length, which is a portion cut out from a circle. So from the circumference of the circle, so it's theta over 360 multiplied by the circumference of that circle. So solving this, you are going to get 4 pi centimeter. So you add that to 2 times radius. So you get this as a final answer. All right. So that is how to solve that question. Thank you. So you can help us subscribe to this video, like, and click on the notification bell to get subsequent video tutorial. See you next time. Thank you.